Let's face it, 2020 wasn't great. We've all had to deal with heartaches and let go of our dreams and plans. I am Kasia Avery and I will show you how to make your 2021 a year of positivity and creativity. Join me and 27 renowned teachers as we help you discover your inner artist on our online year-long course called Wanderlust. You will learn about mixed media art journaling, the most forgiving and freedom-infused form of art with endless opportunities. This can be your new favorite form of self-care. This is our 6th year, and every time we have inspired thousands of people on a journey of self-discovery, self-care, happiness and self-expression. Don't believe me? Just check out our Wanderlust stories to see just how much our customers love the course. We don't know what 21 will bring to this world, but we know you can take this step right now to ensure you bring creativity to the table next year. Become one of us today.